Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Trax key fob here. It works for these models 2019 and 2021 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here we need to remove this back piece, the full piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just take the flat screwdriver and just insert the tip right here, like this, insert it and just push up. And when you do that, you can very easily remove this back piece over here. Now, when you remove it, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take again the flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this. And also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you place your battery over here, take this back piece again. Make sure you align it perfectly like this. All corners have to match perfectly and just snap them together like this. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.